Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back. This is Mike with Pine Ridge Garage. Here we are in northern Michigan, and a week ago we had a foot of snow on the ground. Look at this, and we've lost it all. Just amazing. But today we've got to run to the tire store and get a set of new work boots for this truck. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I'll show you what we end up getting. Hey everyone, welcome. Mike Sark. Hey everyone, welcome back. Mike with Pine Ridge Garage. And today we're getting new work shoes put on the Ford Super Duty F250. Had these BF Goodriches on here for I don't know, almost 2 years. I got 62,000 miles out of them. Still, it was good. Gonna get another set on them. And so we're here today getting them put on. Hey everybody, welcome. Good morning. It's Mike with Pine Ridge Garage, and we're back today on the Ford F250 Lariat, and we're getting some new work boots put on this. Gotten 62,000 miles out of these BFGs, and been a really good tire. These are 285/65 20s, and we're gonna get some new ones on today. All right, got them all installed. There they are. We went with the 295/65 20s, all brand new. Should be good. Did a good job here at Bell Tire. So, all right, we'll wrap this video up. Again, Mike with Pine Ridge Garage. I just got the truck washed. Got these new work boots put on. BF Goodrich KO2s, 295/65 20s. So, gonna be a great tire again. Hope to get plenty of miles out of them. So I got to thinking, as we know, these trucks, whatever brand it is, cost a pretty good penny that we buy now. I got to thinking, back in 1970, my dad had bought a new truck and it was only $2,000. Amazing on the price of trucks, but guess what I got really to thinking about is these tires cost more than what that truck did back in 1970. So it's amazing how tires have gone up. The last set was $100 a tire cheaper than they are today. Anyways, great tires, BF Goodriches. We're gonna work out well on the old Super Duty, so please hit that like button, subscribe, share with others, and remember, have fun while you're getting it done. See ya.